Assalamu alaikum, students of IT. I'm Razia from BHSS Kupwara. My trade is ITes. Yesterday we have gone through number data type, that is, and we have also gone through some commands by which we have understood how interpreter works and what is the Python prompt, and how integer data can be stored in a variable and how long type data can be stored in a variable. And now we have integer has its own data type, that is boolean. This boolean, it has two values, either true or false, okay, either 0 or 1. Boolean type, it's a unique data type which consists of two constants, that is it's either true or false, and a Boolean true value is non-zero and non-null and non-empty, and if it's false value, then it has zero value, then it has null value. Okay, this for example, if we are writing flag, what is the value of the flag? That is, does that flag hold some value? If it holds the value, then we will write true, that is yes. Okay, and then if we have to write, you can see on the slide I have written the prompt, and after the prompt I have written flag is equal to true. That is the flag value true? That is, I have written the flag value is true, that is flag has the true value. Okay, then I have written type flag, which type of data flag is holding. Flag is a variable which holds the value true. Okay, then I am writing which type of data this flag is holding, and then there is the value, that is type bool, that is it holds the Boolean type value. Okay, bool means Boolean type value which has either 1 value or 0 value, and here flag is equal to true. True means 1 value. Okay, true means 1 value. When we have true, that is 1. When we have false, that is 0. Okay, then we have another one, that is floating point. Floating point is the type of number data type, and this floating point, these are the fraction or decimal point numbers which are holded in the floating point number. Okay, and this floating point number, it consists of positive sign and negative sign as well, and for example, and there is always dot in between the decimal digits. For example, if I am writing 0.0, that is plus 0.0, that is the positive digit. Okay, if I am writing, for example, minus 21.9, that is, it is a negative number, and there is 21 is the real number and 9 is the imaginary number. Okay, I can say if I am using complex digits. Okay, and or I can say 21 minus 21, it is the whole number, and this 9.9, it's the decimal part. Okay, then we have another type, that is complex data type. This complex data type in Python is made up of two floating point values, one for real and a second one for imaginary part. That means there are two parts, one is real part, another one is imaginary part. And when we assess different parts of the variable, we use x dot. For example, if x is an object and we are using it, then if we have to assess this object x, then we have to write x dot real. That is, have we to assess the real part, or we are going to assess the imaginary part. Okay, and this imaginary part of the number, it is represented by j. Okay, and this, for example, I have written on the slide. You can see the slide. I have written on it that x is equal to 1 plus 0 j. That is, this 1 is real part and 0 is imaginary part, and we can write print x dot real. That is, we are going to assess the real part and we are also going to assess the imaginary part. Okay, then we have another example, that is y is equal to 9 minus 5j. That means we are here assessing the real part as well as the imaginary part. Okay, Okay, this is all about today. Tomorrow we'll go through next data type. Okay, take care.